Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Path of Exile. First, select one of 7 character classes, each offering a unique playstyle and starting location on the massive passive skill tree. Next, familiarize yourself with the game's core mechanics, especially the intricate skill gem system. You'll socket skill gems into your gear and link them with support gems to create devastating combinations. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building an effective character and enjoying the game's depth. Mastering Path of Exile's core mechanics is essential for survival. Pay close attention to your 3 main attributes: strength, dexterity, and intelligence, as they unlock specific gear and skills. Efficiently manage your life and mana pools, using potions and skills wisely to stay alive. Flasks are incredibly powerful. Learn to use them strategically for recovery, defense, and offense. Understanding these elements will significantly improve your gameplay experience. Character progression in Path of Exile involves much more than just leveling up. You'll journey through 10 expansive acts, facing challenging bosses and completing quests to advance the storyline. The loot system is central. You'll constantly find unique, rare, and magic items, each with a wide array of modifiers. Don't forget the robust crafting system, allowing you to modify items using various orbs and discover valuable vendor recipes. Once you complete the main story, the true Path of Exile experience begins with the endgame. Dive into the Atlas of Worlds, a vast and intricate mapping system offering endless challenges and rewards. You can also participate in various temporary leagues and events, which introduce new mechanics and offer exclusive items. Remember to check the description for links to other deals, and of course, grab some little trees black ice for your car. It makes a huge difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.